Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a quick little get ready with me. Recently on my channel I've had people compliment me on my makeup. I've had a couple ask if I would do like a makeup type video. So it is 1:49. I have to leave here by like 2:20 to go get Adrian from school, and I actually have to take Alex to the doctor today for she has to have a physical to go get her teeth done because they put her to sleep to get her teeth filled. So anyway, I'm just gonna do a quick little get ready with me. I feel like you're super close. I'll scoot you out a tiny bit. Anyways, all I have on my face right now is moisturizer. So I'm gonna go in with my Unique Touch Glorious face primer. They have a mattifying one, but my skin's really dry, so I don't need a mattifying primer. See, I've moisturized my face, that's it. It's funny because my ears right here, sorry. That stuff feels like so good. No, it's funny because this month, for the month of March, today's March 2nd, for the month of March, the special is a bundle that includes any primer, any foundation, any concealer, and any setting powder for $99. Well, there's one that it excludes. I think it's because it's part of a different deal. So yeah, I just put primer everywhere. You can see I have my dark circles, I have a little breakout, I have just like some discoloration in some spots. I need to trim my eyelashes. Like they get super long, like right in the inner corner. So let me get the spray foundation, the stick foundation, which is my favorite. I don't know which color to use today. This is just like my quick go-to. I don't have all these colors. We'll go with Eyelet. I think it matches me best. He's kind of scribbling on wherever. And Unique has a kabuki brush, but I just use, which is right here. This is Unique's kabuki brush. I just use the Sigma, what is that? Sigma Flat Kabuki F80. I mean, it's pretty much the same freaking thing. But yeah. Hopefully this shade is gonna be okay. My face is always darker than the rest of my body. Shoot, I didn't take a... I was gonna take a before picture. It's okay. I have the world's like worst dark circles. You guys know that? What is all the noise outside today? Oh. I do want to try the new setting powder. I forget what it's called. It's like a little clear jar. Okay. Calling to see if Alex got her physical yet. So funny. I don't even know what I was saying. Okay. I have this mirror zoomed in and then I look at my viewfinder and it's like out. Alright, where's my... I don't know why I always put them back in the boxes. Where's Organza? That's Scarlet. I don't want that one. I need to get Marquisite. That's a really light one. Do I want that one? I feel like that might be too light. I don't know which color I want. Marquisite's super light. I feel like this. I don't know. I feel like that other one's like super light. So this one is in lace. I don't know if this will work. Or if it's gonna be too dark. We shall see. Where's my beauty blender? So I just use my beauty blender with, is this what I use? I feel like I usually use my MAC Fix Plus. Yeah, I do. I don't use setting spray. Oh my gosh. Sorry, my mind's all over the place. So I use MAC Fix Plus instead of going in and wetting it down. Instead of going in the bathroom to wet it down. Our thing had to be turned in by the 4th. Today's only the 2nd. I was gonna say, did I miss the deadline and that's why they're calling me? Poor Allie, she has to go get her physical today to make sure she's okay to be put to sleep to get her her cavity filled. And then she has to go get another COVID test a couple days before to make sure she doesn't have it. I mean, it's standard procedure everywhere, but okay, I might have gotten that too wet. Where's that foundation? I forgot. I had a little tiny breakout up here. I think it's because like my sunglasses. I put them up on my head and I don't wash my hair that often. Yeah, I want to use, I don't know. This is the translucent setting powder. It's like this little jar that has like a little sifter thing. And I just use my dampened beauty blender. But I only put powder where I put concealer. I need some more in here. Oh, I have to get dressed and ready and pack up some diapers because I'm gonna pick up Adri and then take her and Jackson to my mom. My mom's gonna watch them. Look at that. She's gonna watch when I take Ellie to the doctor. But this is just a quick makeup. Where's my primer? Yeah, I have everything like in this caddy. You can't see it. So everything is, nothing is where it goes. I mean, everything's still in, I keep them in the boxes. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. I have the worst time curling my eyelashes. I always like jab my eyes, or, like rip out eyelashes. I have a couple unique blushes, but my favorite blush is just my, I'll show you here in a second. My Lorac. I've been using it for years. It's like the only blush I ever use. I need to step outside the box and use other things. So I have a lash primer. Hopefully you can see me. Oh, you can. What do I have to do? Get her shot record to take it with me. It's in my diaper bag. I need to get dressed still. I need to, I don't really want a whole lot on the bottom because my bottom lashes are already long. Pack a diaper bag for Jax. So yeah, if you're interested in checking out the bundle or anything, you don't have to do the bundle, but like I said, the bundle, you get a primer, a foundation, a concealer, and a setting powder for $99. That's insane. Or if you know you love unique makeup and you want to get yourself a discount, you can pay $99 to become a presenter and get a big huge kit full of all kinds of makeup, and then just only use it when you order for yourself to get your discount. Because anytime I order anything, what do I get, 30%? I think it starts out at 15, but you build your way up with like every dollar on your personal sales. So yeah, I feel like, I don't know. So yes, that's why I joined, is so that I could buy this stuff and then get the discount on it for myself. And then if anybody else orders anything, then I make a little bit, but So if you want to be a, what do they call it, kidnapper, and just nab the kit for $99, full of, it even has a freaking eye cream in it. Like the kit nowadays isn't what it was when I got it. It has the eye cream, like every mascara. You should click on my link in the description box and then go check on it where it says become a presenter or whatever, and you'll see what all comes in the kit. It's insane. It's like $450 worth of products. Like I said, if you have no interest in that and just want to get a primer, this eye's been bothering me, get a primer, a foundation, a concealer, and a setting powder, or $99, you could do that also. This is the only mascara I ever use, the Moodstruck Epic 4D. What the heck am I dropping? I gotta hurry, it's 2 o'clock. I should have started this earlier. I got wrapped up in freaking social media. Come on. Yeah, Epic 4D, nothing. It's like out of focus though. I have to hurry up. I hate being in a rush. I was reading emails. What is all the noise outside? I wish I'd kind of blink do my mascara, otherwise I get it on my freaking lids. Which doesn't really matter right now because I don't have eyeshadow on, but I feel like the biggest thing for me is mascara and covering my dark circles. So there's that. So my go-to blush is just this Lorac Exposed blush. I like to use a dense brush for blush. Like, I'm a huge blush person. I like to put it on my nose. Looks like you just either had a workout or just got out of like a hot shower. My lashes though, they don't curl no matter what mascara or what. Maybe I need a new eyelash curler. I usually push on them like this when they're still wet, so they kind of dry. Being pushed up, it's okay. I gotta shut up and get back to my makeup. Okay. What am I doing? Eyeshadow, I don't really do anything special. I am gonna use, I like to use the Unique highlighter. Is this it? Yeah, Powder Luminizer in Iridescent. So I use my IT Cosmetics brush and just dab this the inner corner. And under the brow bone. And then I actually usually do my lip thing, but just get a little bit of a glow. Alright, let me grab my lip tool. It's usually right here. I just cleaned all of this though. I just use my little lip tool. Just to plump the lips. I am going to just use this, what is this, a Wet n Wild Ticket to Brazil. Where's my little brush? I don't know. Just to, just put it in my crease. like any like brownie color. I was gonna put on eyeshadow, but I don't have time. This is super quick. I even took a phone call. All right, let me just grab an eyeshadow. This is actually a really good inner corner too. This is Optimistic by Unique. Super pretty. If you want like a little extra inner corner highlighter. I like to just put something light towards the middle of the eye. Like right in the middle. I feel like it makes the eyes pop. Even if you don't have anything else on your lid, you just put something in the middle. Alright. Okay. I'm not gonna leave my hair down. Oh my gosh, I need to hurry up. I'm just gonna put on a little lip balm. This is the Corez lip butter. I'm running myself way out of time. This isn't really my favorite, but it's right here. I don't think I like the NYX lip butters, but I don't have anything sitting right here. So here, yeah, it is now 2:06. I gotta go. My hair is gonna go right back up into a ponytail because it is a greasy mess. I didn't wash it because I was gonna color it, but I didn't get a chance to color it because I've just had too much going on. And I have no one to help watch the kids for me to color it because Jay's on second shift for a month. So like I don't have Wednesdays free or any of that. I do want to put a little bit more highlighter above my lip. And there we go. Quick little go-to makeup look. So I hope you enjoyed this. Wow, I'm zooming really far in. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, it's like my go-to. I just put something light and sparkly on my eyes. Always the same blush on my cheeks. Like I said, I always put a dot on my nose, and that's it. That's a routine. Like I said, if you're interested in checking out Unique products, my link is below to shop from my site. And yeah, if you have any questions or anything, leave it in the comment section. I thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I gotta go. Bye guys.